Until we refuse fear, Zimbabwe remains captured. By Tatenda Changambika, the 14th of September 2025. Spread the love until Zimbabweans stop being afraid to confront ZANU-PF and Emerson Dambuds, Mnangagwa. The cycle of looting will continue. A luta continua, but in our case, it is the looting that continues. Today, while millions of ordinary citizens queue for bread, scramble for jobs, and battle poverty, Mnangagwa and his inner circle, his family, the so-called ZVAITWA and their cronies, live in extravagance. They flaunt power and wealth while hiding behind billion-dollar investment deals, signed in the name of Zimbabwe, but designed to enrich a few. Each deal is announced with the pomp, and the ceremony is framed as a step toward national development. In reality, these deals are shields, contracts that mortgage our land, our minerals, and our sovereignty. Take the IGG Outcomes deal, for instance, witnessed not by independent technocrats, but by Mnangagwa family members themselves. Tongai Mnangagwa stood as witness, with Andrew Hammond and Isa Kassam for IGG, while KUTYA Owen Mnangagwa signed for Outcomes. This was not a deal for Zimbabwe. It was a deal for the Mnangagwas. The message is clear. The state has been captured, and national resources are being turned into collateral for a family empire. Mnangagwa is a joke, yes, but the bitter truth is that the joke is on us if we continue to watch in silence. Zimbabwe belongs to its people, not to one family, not to one political party. Every mine, every hectare of land, every dollar signed away under investment agreements should benefit the majority, not a handful of elites who treat the country as personal property. For too long, fear has paralyzed citizens. Fear of persecution, fear of harassment, fear of violence. But history shows us that every dictatorship falls when people refuse fear. We are more powerful than Mnangagwa, his family, and his captured ZANU-PF combined. Their empire of corruption is built on intimidation and silence. The moment Zimbabweans open their eyes and stand together, that empire will collapse.